Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're joining for the first time, I'm Grace and we are going to dive into this. Okay, let me adjust my camera and sit very well. Guys, this video was shot in a very noisy place. I was in the studio when I did this, so I was like, okay, I have this look that is lovely and I have to show you guys how to do an Instagram nose contouring that looks just like a V shape. So starting up, I am creating a line in the straight of my nose line and blending that into my eyebrows. So by doing that, is going to create that line, that view look on your forehead in between your brows, and give that your classic nose line. So I'm creating that and tracing that in. So while tracing that, guys, you can use any contouring shade that you want. Like if you are fairer than me, like me, I'm not fair, I'm dark. So if you're fairer than me, you can use the one that is your skin tone or your skin shade. So you are going to blend it into your brow so that everything will look neat. So this is how it's looking. You can see like the line is out already. So now I'm going to take also another shade and still be blending it in, because I use a fresh shade, then I'm adding it with a lighter one to get a very pop look. So I'm mixing that. I think I mixed like 2 shades of contour together to get my nose pop out. So I'm cutting that in to the bridge of my nose, like the front side of my nose. So this is it. So I'm going in with my beauty buff and blending that also in. And while blending this, make sure that you don't go above that line that you create already. Make sure that you trace it in, blend it softly into that of your nose line. So what's up guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a short clip, so now that we have blend everything, the next step to do is just to like set, and already the face is out for you to set. So no need of trying to create the setting powder or trying to make the setting powder pop out already. So I'm picking my setting powder. This is Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use that to set in. So after I set and fill it in, I'm going to use that also to trace the line of that of my contour part, like my nose contour part, so that it comes out very, very well. So while doing this, you got to be very, very careful so that everything comes out unique, just the way you see my thumbnails, just the way my thumbnails is looking. So make sure that you trace this very, very well, and after that I'm going to be blending and blending and blending so that the line comes out. So after that I'm going to take the setting powder again and go to the forehead part and blend also that in, like set it in, then trace the line of that of my nose line, like the bridge of my nose, the contouring part of it. And I'm going to do the same thing, tap it in, tap the setting powder in also, just set the concealer so that it doesn't crease out along the line. So after that, I like to go use the remnant on the brush to blend it all in. Then I'm going to contour my nose a little bit, because I'm just going to bronze my nose a little bit, so I'm just going to do that. And by this time guys, you can notice, if you notice, my light was down. I don't know that my battery was almost off, so I just have to quickly do this, and this is the final look. Yeah, so this is how you achieve an Instagram trend highlight contour, just like a contour. Yes, your nose contour and your forehead contour. So look at how the V shape is out, everything is priced up right in there. I know that my face is not like this one that's is going to pop out, but I think that the tutorial is going to help someone there, someone out there who is looking for how to convert just like an Instagram guru or Instagram celebrity makeup artist. So I'm just slaying myself. So guys, thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and loved ones, and please turn off notification bell so you don't miss out any new video whenever I upload a video, guys. So I'm going to see you onto my next video. I was just saying things, I don't know what I'm saying, so please don't mind that, just mind the voiceover. Bye.